The dimensions of our garden are 12 feet in length and 6 feet in width. Nice solving if you found these two answers. Now we're just getting warmed up, so if you didn't get it, that's okay. Let's see how we solve. First, we replace this variable L with its equivalent expression, 18 minus W. That goes inside parentheses here. Next, we multiply each term in the parentheses by W. So we'll have 18W minus W squared. Again, we have a quadratic equation here since we have W squared. So we want to move all of these terms to the left-hand side so our W squared will be positive. So we'll add W squared to both sides and we'll subtract 18W from both sides. This gives us W squared minus 18W plus 72 on the left and 0 on the right. Next, we want to factor this quadratic, so we find factors of 1 times 72, or just 72, that sum to negative 18. These two factors are negative 6 and negative 12. We'll set each factor equal to 0, so the width can equal 6, or the width can equal 12. We know the length should be 12 feet and the width should be 6 feet, since the length is the longer side. You'll notice that it doesn't matter which value that we use for W. The final result will be the same rectangular garden. It will be 12 feet by 6 feet. And as always, we can quickly check to make sure these dimensions are correct. If we go all the way around our garden, we'll have the perimeter, which is 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6, which equals 36 feet altogether. This checks since this is what we expected the perimeter to be in our original problem. For the area, we multiply 12 by 6 to get 72 feet squared. This also checks, which is great since 72 was the area of our garden originally.